Calculating root mean square speed. Calculate the RMS speed of the molecules in a sample of nitrogen gas at 25 degrees centigrade. So if you remember, Brms is given by formula under root 3RT divided by molecular mass. Important point we have in this formula that we have to write everything in SI unit. So we have to write everything in SI unit. Like R in SI unit, its value is 8.314 joule mole minus 1 Kelvin minus 1. Temperature in SI unit is written in Kelvin. So 25, so 273 plus 25, this is 298 Kelvin. Similarly, molecular mass for nitrogen, we have molecular mass is 28 gram per mole. But we have to write in SI unit, that is 28 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per mole. Now we have to plug all these values to calculate PRMS, that is 3RT. R is 8.314, and this multiplied by T is 298, and molecular mass we have 28 into 10 to the power minus 3. So let us calculate this value. So 3 goes up, so we will have 3 into 8.314 multiplied by 298, and 10 to the power 3 goes, so becomes 1000 divided by 28, and then we have to take root, or we can write 3 into 8.314 into 29.8, and then this becomes 10 to the power 4, so this becomes 10 to the power 2 outside divided by 28. So if I use calculator, so we have 3 into 8.314, and this multiplied by 29.8 and divided by 28, and then we have to take a square root. So this is 5.15 into 10 to the power 2, and SI unit for velocity will be meter per second. So molecules of nitrogen is moving with a RMS speed of 5.15 into 10 to the power 2 meter per second. Similarly, let us try this problem. What is the RMS speed of atom of helium gas at 25 degrees centigrade? You have to follow the same steps. Vrms is given by formula under root 3RT by molecular mass. Everything we have to write in SI unit. R in SI unit is 8.314 joule mole minus 1 Kelvin minus 1, and temperature is again 273 plus 25, that is 298 Kelvin, and molecular mass for helium is 4 gram per mole. We have to convert into SI unit, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per mole. Now we have to plug all these values. So Vrms will be under root 3RT, R is 8.314, and temperature is 298 Kelvin, and this divided by molecular mass 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. We can arrange the same thing. We will have 3 into 8.314 into 298 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 4, or I can write 3 into 8.314 into 298, so I can write 29.8, and I can take 10 to the power 2 outside, and this divided by 4. So let us use calculator. So we can have 3 multiplied by 8.314 and this multiplied by 29.8 and this divided by 4, and then we have to take a square root. So we have 13.63 into 10 to the power 2 meter per second. So you see this RMS speed is very high. For helium this speed is 13.63 into 10 to the power 2 meter per second, and we have also calculated RMS speed for nitrogen, and this is coming out to be 5.15 into 10 to the power 2 meter per second. So from here we can have one observation: if the molecule is heavier, root mean square speed is also a smaller. So heavier molecule will have lower or a smaller RMS speed, and that is very common. So if you have something that is heavy, it will have tendency to go slow.